Hey there, my name's Kenny and I wanted to thank you again for choosing 180 Contractors to take care of your gutter system. We're here to make sure water stays away from your home. With this short video, we'll walk you through what to expect with your gutter installation and how we'll make the process easy and efficient. Let's get started. Number 1, flexible scheduling. Gutter installations are often fast-paced and weather-dependent, so while we aim to honor scheduled dates, please note that install dates may be tentative. Number 2, no need to be home. Good news is you do not need to be home during your gutter installation. Our experienced crew will take care of everything and our project manager will follow up with you to guarantee that you are satisfied throughout the end of the project. Number 3, cleanup and inspection. After the installation, your project manager will perform a quality assurance inspection to ensure everything is done correctly and the job site is clean. Number 4, see something, say something. If you notice anything that doesn't look right before your project manager is able to inspect the work, please reach right out to us as soon as possible and we will happily take care of it. We're honored to help improve and protect your home. If you have any questions or concerns before, during, or after your project, we're just a quick call or message away. Thanks again for choosing 180 Contractors, where craftsmanship meets customer care.